Alright guys, today we're going to do some contrasting succulent paintings with acrylic paint, and we're going to use artist Alaina Pompa as art inspiration. And what I want you to do is do like a contrasting color in your background, and then I'm going to have you draw your succulent on a separate page using reference, and then we'll transfer it using a chalk transfer onto our final paper after we get our background done. So I'm going to mostly do greens on this one, and so I'm going to do red in the background because red is actually a complementary color. Complementary colors sit across from each other on the color wheel, and when you mix them together they create a neutral, but when you place them next to each other it vibrates and it creates a lot of contrast in your painting, and that's what we're going for. So when you do your background, just make sure that you're putting it on pretty thick so that it covers the canvas completely, and you want to try to make a smooth surface as much as possible. Okay, so I dried the background. Now we're going to do our chalk transfer. So you're going to take your drawing, you're going to turn it over and put chalk on the back. Okay, so I'm going to use chalk pastel on the back of my paper. And what you want to do is you want to cover your image completely in chalk. Don't do this on top of your canvas because you'll get chalk all over it. And then blow it off into the trash can. Make sure you have the entire drawing covered with chalk. You can hold it up to the light to make sure. And once you get it completely covered in chalk, you're going to grab your canvas. Center it on your canvas wherever you want it. I'm going to give it a little bit more room on the bottom. And then I'm going to take a small piece of tape and tape it at the very top. And then just trace your drawing with a different color pen if you have one, and you can actually lift and see what you've transferred, and you can see by the color of pen that you're using what you've traced over and what you haven't. Okay, so now I have my chalk transfer done, and I'm going to paint most of my plant is going to be greens. I'm going to use my reference for the shadow detail. When we do this, it's sort of semi-abstract. We're not trying to make it look 100% realistic, but you want to try to keep the shadows as good as you can. Try to keep them correct, okay? So I'm going to start by putting in like the darker greens, and then we'll come back in with the lighter greens. One thing that you'll find that Alaina does in her art is she leaves some of the red showing from the background, and I'm going to do that as well. I'm going to start with my dark green and just come in and paint the darkest part of the succulent leaves first. And then I'm coming in with my lighter green and putting in some of the lighter green, and I'll also come back over this with like a medium green as well. Okay, as you can see, I've finished the succulent, and I also went ahead and painted my pot with a light aqua and darker aqua color. Now I'm going to do the background. So yeah, and I'm going to let some of the background show through. Also going to paint over the shadow right now, but I think I'm just going to use a light yellow on the bottom. And then I'm going to paint the top. And I'm actually going to leave a little bit of the red showing through along the edges of my succulent. This is in that same style as Alaina Pompa. Okay, so there we go, and what we're going to do is let that dry for a minute, and then I'll do a dry brush technique to get a little bit of red in the base and in the background over here. So to do that, just get some paint on a dry brush and make it so that it looks rough when you're putting it down, so it looks like you get quite a bit of texture. And it just makes it look like the background showing through in different spots on your painting. There you have your contrasting succulent, and don't forget to put in your shadow, and hope you have fun with this, you guys. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art.